What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. We are out on a bank holiday Monday ride. Plenty of riding this weekend. A couple of videos have gone out already, so you've probably seen them. We are heading back out onto the twisty back roads, like on the one of the last videos. Heading back out to that sort of area. I'm with a 1200 GS. Just going for a little mid-morning blip, I think, really, is the plan. Nothing crazy, just a chill ride. All about that. Hope you're all doing well. It's been a lovely weekend here. Yesterday was a little bit on the ropes, but it wasn't too bad. Hope you're all a good time. Hope you're all staying well and riding safe. Have you had your first ride back on your bike yet this year? Because I know a lot of people are just summer exclusive riders. I have a hair in my mouth. Not like it. Yeah, with an R1200 GS 2017 plate. A nice bit of bike. It's the first adventure bike I ever rode. Yeah, first adventure bike I've ever ridden, that one in front. Kind of what made me fall in love with them, I think. Over the years, seeing all the different generations of that bike. Sort of in my family, I've been on the back of it and the back of his previous and previous again when I was a little kid. Had my first swim in the sea yesterday in shorts as well, nothing other than, you know, normal trunks, which was chilly. The water was cold, but the sun was nice, made it bearable. The person I'm riding with is slightly older. And rides a little bit more reserved than I usually do on my own, so he's taking it easy, which is good. It's just a chill one today, nothing wild. Nice roads though, which is good. Oh, the amount of body roll on that Citroen that came around there. I've seen lots of maxi scooters around today with like bags and stuff on. Is that a thing? Touring on a maxi scooter? I guess they're big engine or big air engine. I find myself creeping far too fast up his ass, so I need to not do that as much. Nice looking scenery coming up. Nice hills, trees, woodland, all sorts. And some really nice twisty roads, which I could absolutely hoon it down, but I'm not going to. I'm going to be good. It's a little bit windy today compared to the last few days. By a little bit, I mean it's quite windy. Woo. Catches your helmet every now and then and kind of blows you around. That bike or a lorry I just saw go past, like down there. There's a bike, I think. When I go in front, I never know how fast to go. I don't know whether to just go my normal pace, fucking absolutely scream it, whether that makes me look like a dickhead, I don't know, but we've got here Z, I don't know, MT-03 I think, or an MT-09, I don't know. It was actually a bike I really wanted for a long time. MT-09, I think it's beautiful. Oh, he's letting us go, what a legend. Because this is a really good road. Yeah, we're on the africatwin still, CRF1000 DCT. It's 2016, I think. Yeah. It does make you feel good being out on a bike in the sun. Nice views, nice trees, bit of music in the ears sometimes. It's just nice, isn't it? You can appreciate nature properly. Because you see a lot of people cliche, like people post like very cliche videos of voiceovers of like, nature is amazing, but like, it is. But I don't think you need to point it out to everyone. Although, you don't really get a feel for it like you do when you're in the moment on a bike. But try to portray that on a camera, I guess, but you know, it's hard to. Without doing a very cringe voiceover being like, I love nature, nature loves me. That's why we ride motorcycles. Fringe. Well high up now. These views, beauty. Look at that. It's beautiful. Wonderful news. For me, that's where I'd max fucking wrist it and send it. But, you know, it's not that kind of ride. This looks amazing. I hope it looks somewhere as good as it does for me through this camera. Somewhere near as good. It's beautiful. This is the straight I managed to see a CRF300L, like the Honda dirt bike, do about 85, I think it topped out at. Like red line. It's quite funny. It's the only thing that scares me off the CRF300L. That road down there looks fun. But you can't go down there, I don't think. They have a speed sign. Interesting. Yeah, look at that. That's stunning. I love all the big trees. They look amazing. It's looking awfully busy down here. I don't know what the fuck is going on. What have we got here? Bikes on bikes on bikes. Good place to park. I take it you can't drive down there. That just looks lush. That road going into the trees down there looks perfect. Oh, that's what I want. I want a road like that. I can just... Oh, it's awfully windy up here though. Where it is now, at least. Come around the headland, or the peak. Bad, is it? Any good way? Yeah, nice. Not bad, eh? Is that second bridge? Second bridge? I can't remember. Third, second or third, I can't remember. Like actual bridge. It's all fun. Having a blast today. Nice weather. Out on the bikes, good views, bit of tuners, happy days. This cyclist has just been pacing it down this hill like as fast as we were going. He was just in front of us the entire time and he wasn't holding us back at all. He was gunning it.